Here's how to save someone else's playlist on YouTube. Now, if you're on YouTube on your iPhone, Android, or a computer, and you navigate to somebody's channel and you want to save their playlist, not your playlist, but their own playlist to watch later, let's walk through those exact steps. So I'm going to use this channel as an example, and let's say I really love his videos and I wanted to watch a playlist again. I can swipe over at the top and then just tap on Playlists. And then scroll down to the playlist I want to save. I'll show you where it saves it and how to save it. So let's choose this top one. And now you can see there's no save button on here, but right next to Play All is a bookmark icon. Tap on that bookmark icon, and essentially now you have saved it. But you can find it just by tapping on the U button at the bottom right. And let me tap on it again. And then choose Playlist here, and there is the saved playlist. You can open it up and re-watch it. I hope this helps. If it did help you, leave a comment down below with your feedback. I'd like to know, did this miss the mark, or did it legitimately help you find and solve that problem? Thanks, guys.